When I first saw you on TV, you caught my eye instantly. Seeing your message in my DMs made my heart skip a beat. And that's when it all started, the mystery of you. We wouldn't meet for years, but from that moment I knew there was something about you I could never shake. You always came back in my life and had me wondering, what if? What if we met? Would we fall in love, or were you too good to be true? 3 years ago, on the day we finally met, I knew God put you in my life for a reason. I felt like I had known you forever and trusted you with my heart instantly, and it was the best decision I've ever made.
This is it, this is now, this is what I've been talking about.
I still remember the first time I laid eyes on you. I was in complete awe of your beauty. You were wearing jean shorts, a red flannel shirt, and had a bandana tied up in your hair. Oh yeah, and you happened to be taking shots and twerking on a sneak peek episode of Are You the One Season 5. From that moment on, I knew I wanted you to be mine. I guess you could even call it love at first sight. But it wasn't until 3 years ago today when we met for the first time. We spent that 4th of July weekend carefree, hanging out in the mountains, listening to country music, and making fun of each other. Not much has changed, and I love that. I love that I wake up every day knowing that you be by my side through thick and thin, and that no matter what life throws our way, we will face it head on and get through it as a team. I love your infectious laugh, your desire for adventure, and your brutal honesty. But most of all, I love the way that you love those around you. While you may be the most selfish person I know when it comes to food, you're also the most selfless person when it comes to being there for those around you. Thank you for always challenging me to be the best version of myself. Thank you for always being my better half and for loving me unconditionally, even on the days that I probably don't deserve it. So is this first look or first touch?
It's called a first touch.
Okay.
I can't see you. I can only see your hand.
I guess that makes sense. I'm like so afraid to turn my head to the left at all. I'm starting to like cramp up.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
You're my best friend.
Mine. It's all gonna be okay.
Oh my God.
So girl, don't worry, this boy ain't gonna run. There ain't no hurry, we got plenty of days left under the sun. No, it ain't a one-day ride, it's up through the mountains where the coyotes cry, down through the canyon where the wild things hide, and the cottonwoods fall. Feel the river underneath our feet, we'll be drowning in a sagebrush sea, long as I know that it's you and me. Time don't matter at all. Girl, I'm in it for the long haul.
Dearly beloved friends and family of Cameron and Carolina, we are here in this magnificent place to join these two in the union of marriage.
A cold beer's got 12 ounces. A good truck's got maybe 300,000. You only get so much until it's gone.
Cameron, do you promise to love Carolina through the good and the bad, to be her best friend and companion, to respect her and support her, to be patient with her, to pray for her, to work together with her to achieve her goals, and to forever accept her unconditionally? If so, say, I do.
I do.
And Carolina, do you promise to love Cameron through the good and the bad, to be his best friend and companion, to respect him and support him, to be patient with him, to pray for him, and to work together with him to achieve his goals and to forever accept him unconditionally? If so, say, I do.
I do.
Some things last forever after all. The FM station on the outskirts, blue jeans after years of shift work.
And so standing here today in front of this great gathering is your public statement that although you each have found victory over previous trials and worries, you now face the world ahead of you stronger and wiser together. Your spoken vows to one another represent that this is a direct result of your personal faith and the union you are seeking together from this day forward. With that, my friend, I'll step aside and you may kiss your bride. And let me be the first to introduce you to Mr. and Mrs. Bruckman.
Maybe some things last forever after all. After all.
Countdown. 3, 2,
Well, I got a call from Rowdy around 6 o'clock saying he called her hankering for a honky tonk. Wants a nice cold beer and a country song, but he didn't want to stay out all night long. Well, I ain't too kind to let a buddy drink alone, but I can't turn it off once I turn it on. There's no stopping me once I get going. Put a can in my hand, man, I'm wide ass open. The tick-tock of that clock is like a time bomb. By 10:30, I'm half past gypsy. At 11:45, man, I've done had plenty. The countdown's on when the first beer hits me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, too many. Yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, too many.
I never had no one that I could count on. I've been let down so many times. I was tired of hurting, so tired of searching, till you walked into my life. It was a feeling I'd never known. And for the first time, I didn't feel alone. You're more than a lover. There could never be another. Make me feel the way you do. And oh, we just get closer.
Smell of coffee hits me as I open up my eyes. A southern angel wearing nothing but an apron and a smile. I say thank you, sweet Lord Jesus. Tell the truth, don't know how I got so lucky. Well, all them boys from back in high school wonder how I'm still alive. Up by a bulldog off a Blue Lake Bridge and wrecked my pickup twice. Then she picked this here country boy out of all them other guys. The boys that's lucky, 'cause they sing about the girl that I've got on the radio. She's a cross between the cover of an outdoor life and Vogue. There's folks that think they got it all, folks rolling in the dough, but y'all trust me. Yeah, I'd rather be lucky. I'd rather be lucky. I'd rather be lucky than good in the day of the week, girl.
Carolina, making promises is a big deal. I want to be sure that the promises I make, I can keep. So having said that, I promise to go fly fishing at least once a month so that you can relax without me bothering you at home. I promise to keep you safe and be your consistent reminder that stop signs are not optional, even though you would argue otherwise. I promise to always keep an open mind and to value your opinions, thoughts, and desires, even if they are different from mine. Like your desire of owning 78 dogs. Most importantly, I promise to be here with you forever, no matter what the situation or circumstance, and to love you unconditionally. Carolina, I will always be your #1 fan, your best friend, and your partner in crime. I love you.
I promise to always put our marriage first and make you the biggest priority in my life. I promise to support you and stand by your side through all the good and bad times. I promise to always be your best friend and keep our marriage fun. I promise to always be honest and true to you. I know together we will achieve great things. A love like ours is everything I ever wanted and more. I can't wait for forever. You're my favorite.
I used to poke fun at them punch-drunk lovers. I never thought I'd be that man. Oh, but with you, I am. Oh, baby, with you, I am.
Okay, all right, let's hear it.
I was gonna do one on my head. Oh no, I was gonna go on your head.
All right.
Oh, baby.
Oh,
baby.
Let me know when I should go. Yeah, go ahead. Cam, Carolina, we love you all. We had a great night. We are so proud of the both of you. Here's to the next 50 years. Have a great night and a great next 50 years. Love ya.
Not 51. Cheers,
All right.
Hey, B-Rad guy, boy.
Let me just give me a thumbs up.
go ahead.
All right. Cam, Carol. I know you hate when I call you Carol, but it's just kind of one of those things, Carolina. It's one of those things like when you're in and you get a nickname and it just sticks. Fucking love both of you guys so fucking much. Glad to be a part of your guys' day. It was beautiful, magnificent. I might have cried a little bit. Don't pay too much attention to myself, but I can't wait for you guys to just build a life together, and I just can't wait to see you guys grow up together and make a life out of your guys' position, man. I'm very jealous of you guys. So, cheers. Until the fucking next time we have a drink. Love you guys.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Start crying.
Here we go.
It was bad. Still hold together.
Love you guys. Yeah, I'm kind of in the same shoes as Brad. I might have done a little bit of crying. Part of it was probably allergies. A lot of it was just crying. But super proud of both of you. Love seeing the relationship build over the last couple years, and I look forward to seeing it for years more in Florida, hopefully. Sorry, Cam. Also, Carol, really appreciate the gift you gave Cameron. I'm glad that that was passed to me by the bridesmaid so I could take a peek at it before handing it on. I love you guys. I didn't actually look at it. I love you guys. Cheers.
Oh my God. All right, I'm in this.
What's up, you guys?
Make sure that you said you saw it too.
All right. Oh, no. What's up, you guys? I love you both, and here's a cheers to honor. And Cam, if you can't come in her, come on her, buddy.
Are you fucking?
Cam, Carolina, I love you guys. Couldn't be happier to call you guys my family. You guys are the two most dependable people I have in my life, and I'd do anything for you guys. Love you.
We're sitting here trying to think of something to say. We're not good at speeches, and yeah, we were one short, and Kate butchered the one at the bachelor party. But what else do you do?
Nice job, Jack.
Yeah, I guess.
Slight miss.
Slight miss.
Can we restart that?
Oh no.
We did it.
That was a good one, right? Yeah.
I was there hoping you got that. I did.